In this video, we will discuss findFirst and findAny operations of stream. findFirst, it returns an optional object containing first element of the stream or an empty optional if the stream is empty. findAny, it returns an optional object containing any one element of the stream or an empty optional object if the stream is empty. findFirst guarantee that it will always return the first element in the stream if there are elements available, whereas findAny finds any element from the stream without any guarantee of the value every time you apply. This makes a completely non-deterministic behavior. The value returned once cannot be same when you try again. It is free to pick up any value from the provided stream of element. Mostly it will return you the first value, but it is not guaranteed. Now let's look into how we can use those findFirst and findAny in our examples. So let's create a new class, and the class name is stream findAny and first example. Let's create a public static void main PSVM, and we'll be finding first and findAny on our instructor list. So, and they return optional, so optional of instructor is equal to instructors dot get all dot stream dot find and if, let's name it instructor optional, if instructor optional dot is present, then print out instructor optional dot get. Now let's implement example of findFirst. So also returns optional, or we can use the same instructor optional is equal to instructor dot get all dot stream dot find first, and if instructor optional dot is present, then print out instructor optional dot get. Now let's run this example. So here you can see that both operators return the same value. Instructor name is equal to Mike and instructor name is equal to Mike. They mostly, the first operator findFirst will always return the first element, but then findAny mostly will return you the first element from the stream, but in case of parallel stream it may be different because it will return the first element from the parallel stream. We will discuss more about parallel stream in the future, but just keep in mind that the behavior may change of findAny once we are running in parallel operation.